welcome back. Today, first let us hear some sounds. Now we are going to talk about farm animals. So, I think you have listened to all the sounds of the farm animals. Children, do you know why farm animals are used? Farm animals are used for many purposes. Like chicken gives us eggs. Not only chickens, from ducks also we get eggs. Cows and goats provide us with nutritious milk. Different kind of sheep gives us wool, from which we can make sweaters which we wear in winter, and those winter clothes keeps us warm. That woolen clothes keeps us warm. Pigs provides us with bacon and pork, means the meat. Ducks also, ducks, and from hen we also get meat. From cow, as we know, we get milk, and from this milk we make many things like cheese, then ice cream also made from this milk, and not only that, we also paneer, and then curd. These are the things which we get from the cow. Horse, if we see horse is also a farm animal. They help us in another way. In the farm, when farmers requires them, they help the farmers to carry different kinds of things or to go from here to there. These horses helps us. By providing different kinds of foods or resources, they made our life really very helpful. You know, children, these animals are really very helpful for not only us, they are very helpful for our farmers as well. Now the next worksheet we have to do, it is in page number 16. Collect the following farm animals. So now let's see what are the farm animals we have here. This is a cow. This is a cow, and you have to color this cow black color. You have to color it black. Now cow is a farm animal. It lives in the farm. Cow lives in a cow shed. Now this is a duck. Duck is also a farm animal, and its duck lives in the water or pond. So we have to color this duck yellow, and this cow we have to color it black. This is in page number 16. Okay, so children, Have you heard these sounds? Can you guess which animals are there or what kind of noise is this? So let me tell you, these are the beautiful sounds of the wild animals. Yes, animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Tiger, zebra, giraffe, and elephant. There are many more. They are the examples of wild animals. Wild animals live on land, on trees, and in water. Some animals live both on land and in water. Animals like lions, elephants, deer, tigers, giraffe, they live on land. But animals such as monkeys, they live on trees. They jump from here and there with the help of their long tail. And mainly the land animals have four legs. With those they walk, they run, they go here and there in a search of food. But animals such as fish, shark, whale, they live in the water. But there are even some animals, they live both on land and in water, like frog, tortoise, crocodiles, etc. You all love to eat. Same for the animals. Animals also loves to eat. Different animals eat different kind of food. Some animals are there, they love to eat plants. Some animals are there, they eat other small animals. Even some animals and birds are like that, that they eat dead animals. So there are different kinds of food habits if we see about the animals. The kind of food eaten by different animals forms their eating habit. Animals such as elephants, giraffes, zebras eat only plants or parts of plants. These animals are called plant-eating animals. But there are some animals like tigers, lions, leopards, they eat the flesh of other animals. These animals are called flesh-eating animals. Animals such as a bear eat plants and flesh of other animals too. Animals like vultures, jackals, they eat dead animals. So these animals are known as scavenger. Even children, crow are also scavenger and we find crow in our neighborhood. But crow is not a wild animal, it's a bird. So we should always protect these wild animals. We should not kill them. We should not destroy their house. So, where is their house? I am talking about wild animals, right? So, their house is the forest, the jungle. That is their house. They live in the shelter of the trees. They live in the caves. They live in the open field. They stay there, they sleep there, they eat there, they run, they jump, they walk, they play. It's their home. So, if we cut trees, then there will be no home left for them. Suppose someone starts breaking out your home, someone starts taking out the bricks from your house, then there will be no house for you. Where you are going to be? You are going to be on the road. There will be no home for you. Same for the animals. We should protect them. We should not cut down trees. If we see anyone cutting the trees, then we should ask them not to cut the trees. So, in this way, we can make sure that we should not destroy their houses.
Do page number 17. Count each of the following wild animals and write the number in the box. So let us see what are the wild animals are here. This first picture is of tiger, then elephants, then monkey, and then crocodile. So now let us count how many tigers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write here number 4. Now moving on to the next picture, let us count 1, 2. So we are going to write in this box 2. Now in the next picture, there are crocodiles. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Now next, let us count monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monkey. So write here 6.
So from this picture, I think you have guessed that this is our next topic and it's all about tooth. When the children are baby, so after for 6 to 7 months old till 3 years, they get their first teeth, and these teeth are called primary teeth, baby teeth or milk teeth. You know, there are only 20 teeth until they have the baby teeth. Now when these babies start growing from 5 to 6 years, slowly these teeth starts falling out one by one, and then we get our adult teeth. But if this adult teeth falls, then there will be no more teeth. So what we have to do? First, to get a healthy teeth, we have to brush twice a day. When in the morning you are waking up from the bed, so you have to brush your teeth, and when you are going to sleep, you have to brush your teeth. Not only that, you have to drink lots of water for your teeth to be healthy. And there are some more things which we have to maintain to take care of the teeth. First, if you are eating any sweet kind of food like chocolates or milk or desserts, puddings, sweet, curd, anything that is sweet in taste, you should remember that you should clean your mouth. Do not forget to do that. Not only that, whenever you are eating any kind of sticky food or whenever you are eating food, after finishing it off, you should clean your mouth with water. You should clean your mouth for water. Now, if we are going to eat apple, then capsicum, then carrot, then orange, then broccoli, watermelon, beans. So these are very good for our teeth. But if you are eating cakes and pastries and pies and chocolates and cupcakes, candies, cookies, and then cold drinks, and then lots and lots of different kinds of juices which are from outside or like burger, then this is not good for your teeth. It will be unhealthy for your teeth, and even if you eat unhealthy food, then what going to happen? Your teeth can get cavity. Your teeth can get cavity. So for that, you should take care of the teeth.
Children, let us do the worksheet. Color the foods that are good for your teeth. Put a cross on the foods that are not good for your teeth. This is page number 15. This is in page number 15. So now let us see what are the foods we have here. First, This is a picture of an apple. Apple is very good for teeth. So it's a healthy food. So we have to color the apple red. Now next moving on to the grapes. Grapes is also good for the teeth. So we have to color the grapes green. Next moving on to the carrot. Carrot is also a very good for your teeth. So we have to color this carrot orange. Now next is this burger. Burger is an unhealthy food. This is not good for our teeth. So we have to put a cross on this. So we have to put a cross on this. You are going to put a cross on this with the color crayon. Now this is an ice cream. Children, we have to put a cross on this ice cream because ice cream is also not good for health. Ice cream is also not good for our teeth.